how to sign out of YouTube on your TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can sign out of YouTube app on your TV. So make sure to watch the video till the end. There's a specific thing you have to understand. Your TV is also basically just an Android TV. So if you want to understand how an Android phone works actually, if you have a Google account signed into YouTube, you cannot sign out from YouTube, but you have to remove the whole Google account from YouTube app itself or from your phone itself, right? So that's similarly how it works on your Android TV. Now currently I have an Android TV, you could have some other TVs available, but I'm sure most of you are watching this from an Android TV. First of all, I want you to open the YouTube application. Once you open the YouTube app, of course, you're gonna see this type of interface where you just have to go on the left hand side of the screen here, then just go to this option known as settings that you can see from the bottom left. Inside the settings, if you scroll down over here, you'll be able to see different options, and here you'll find reset app. All you have to do is just click on the reset app option and then just select reset app. Once you click on the reset app option, the next thing we're going to do is you can still see we are not properly signed out. So as I said earlier, you have to remove it from your device itself to remove these Google accounts from YouTube. So what you have to do is go to your home screen first of all. Once you go to your home screen, you can see the gear icon from the top right hand side, which is a settings icon. And from here, you simply want to go to this option called settings, as you can find it. Once you go to this option known as settings, over here you'll be able to see different sort of options where you have to go to accounts and sign in, and here you'll find the Google account that you can see. So if you want to remove this Google account from YouTube, you have to remove it from your Android TV itself. So on the right hand side, just scroll down, you might find many options and you'll find the option called remove account. Click the remove account option, it'll ask you for a confirmation, remove account and reset, or you can sign in with another account. Once you remove the account, it will also get automatically logged out on YouTube. And this way you'll be able to sign out of YouTube on your TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.